Hey everyone, Jeff Corwin here. I'm excited to talk to you today about something that matters to every single one of us, our planet, our only home. I've spent my life exploring our planet's wildest places, from dense rainforests to remote mountain peaks, and I've witnessed both its breathtaking wonders and its heartbreaking struggles. Our world is changing, air is less clean, weather is more extreme, and animals are losing their homes. Forests are shrinking, and the balance of nature is being pushed to its limits. This is a call to action for all of us. No matter where you live or what you do, we all share this responsibility. The signs are everywhere: hotter summers, bigger storms, longer droughts. These changes aren't just statistics, they're realities affecting our daily lives and our future. Our planet's natural balance is being disrupted, and we're all feeling the effects, whether it's through food shortages, rising costs, or health challenges. We're part of this living system, and its health is our health. When nature thrives, so do we, our families, our communities, and our future generations. But there's hope. We're not helpless. Every positive action, no matter how small, can ripple out and make a difference. The solutions are often simpler than we think. Sometimes, the most powerful changes start with a single step. You don't need to be a scientist or a world leader to make a difference. Ordinary people, just like you and me, can create extraordinary change. The power to heal our planet is in our hands. It's about making choices that help, not harm, the world around us. It starts with understanding the problem and taking small, meaningful steps. Learning, sharing, and acting together can spark real change. One of the most powerful solutions: planting a tree. It's a simple act, but it has a huge impact on the world around us. Trees have been healing the earth for millions of years. They're nature's original climate fighters and life givers. Today, let's give a gift back to our world. Let's join together and make a real, lasting difference. We'll explore why trees are more important now than ever, and how they can help restore balance to our planet. Trees are the superheroes of the natural world. They stand tall, quietly working to keep our world healthy. They clean our air, protect our water, fight climate change, and provide homes for countless animals. Their roots hold the earth together, and their leaves give us the oxygen we breathe. We'll see what happens when they're gone, and celebrate those bringing them back. Every tree planted is a step toward a brighter future. Get ready to be inspired. Together, we can create a world where forests flourish and people and wildlife thrive side by side. You can be a hero for our planet, starting today. The journey begins with a single step, and that step can be yours. Have you ever taken a deep breath in a forest? The air feels different, cool, fresh, and almost alive. It's a sensation that instantly calms the mind and fills the body with energy. That fresh feeling is thanks to trees. Trees are the lungs of our planet. They breathe in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Every breath we take is a gift from these silent giants, working tirelessly all around us. Through photosynthesis, they clean up the air and give us what we need to live. A single large tree can provide enough oxygen for a family of 4 each day. Imagine the power of thousands of trees, all working together to keep our air clean and healthy. Imagine a whole forest working together, nature's air purifier. In cities, trees fight pollution and make the air healthier. They cool our streets, reduce noise, and even help lower stress for people living nearby. More trees mean fewer breathing problems and a more beautiful place to live. When we cut down forests, we damage the Earth's ability to breathe. The loss of trees means more pollution, hotter cities, and less wildlife. Planting a tree is like installing a natural air filter. Every leaf is working for us. Even a single sapling can make a difference, growing over time to support life and clean the air. We breathe out what they need and they breathe out what we need. It's an incredible partnership, a cycle that connects all living things on Earth. Protecting trees means protecting ourselves. Let's keep these green lungs strong for generations to come, so that our children and grandchildren can enjoy the same fresh air and natural beauty that we do today. Trees do more than clean our air, they manage water too. Forests act like giant sponges, slowing rain and preventing erosion. Leaves and branches catch rain, letting it drip gently to the ground. The forest floor soaks up water, and roots hold soil together. This process recharges underground water supplies, our aquifers. Without trees, rain hits hard, causing erosion and polluted runoff. Rivers get muddy, water becomes unsafe, and floods are more common. By protecting forests, we protect our water. Trees are natural water filters, ensuring clean water for people and wildlife. Planting trees along rivers keeps waterways healthy. They stabilize banks, cool water, and filter pollutants. Trees truly are water's best friend. Our planet is warming, and climate change is a huge challenge that affects every corner of the globe. From rising sea levels to more frequent heat waves, the impacts are being felt everywhere. The main culprit? Carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas released by burning fossil fuels, like coal, oil, and gas. It traps heat in our atmosphere, making the planet warmer over time. Trees are our natural allies. They absorb carbon dioxide from the air and store it in their trunks, branches, and roots, acting as powerful carbon sinks. This process, called carbon sequestration, helps cool the planet and slow down the effects of global warming. Trees also provide shade, lowering temperatures by up to 20 degrees in their immediate surroundings, making hot days more bearable for people and animals alike. In cities, this means less need for air conditioning, reduced energy use, and cooler neighborhoods that are healthier for everyone. But when we cut down forests, we release all that stored carbon back into the air, making climate change even worse and destroying vital habitats. Planting and protecting trees is one of the most effective and affordable ways to fight global warming, restore ecosystems, and support wildlife. Each tree is a small warrior, working every day to keep our planet cool and our air clean for future generations. The more trees we have, the better our chances of building a resilient, cooler world for everyone. Let's make trees our allies in the fight for a stable climate. Every tree counts, and together, we can make a real difference. What happens when the trees are gone? The answer is devastating. Deforestation leaves land bare and exposed. Without trees, rain causes erosion, washing away fertile soil and polluting rivers. The land becomes infertile, crops can't grow, and sometimes deserts form. Local climates change. Hotter days, drier air, longer droughts. The balance of the forest is lost, replaced by harsh landscapes. Communities lose vital resources: food, medicine, building materials. People are forced to find new ways to survive, often leading to poverty and conflict. The short-term gain from cutting trees leads to long-term suffering. The true cost of losing a forest is far greater than the price of its timber. It's a loss we all feel. Forests are vibrant cities of life, home to over 80% of land animals and plants. Every tree is an apartment complex for wildlife, birds, insects, mammals, and more. Even a fallen tree supports life, feeding beetles and mosses. When forests are cut down, millions of animals lose their homes. Many can't survive or relocate, leading to extinction. Deforestation is a leading cause of species loss. Protecting and planting forests gives wildlife a fighting chance. Even planting native trees in your backyard helps local birds and bees. Connecting green spaces creates wildlife corridors, safe pathways for animals. Every tree planted is a new home and a sign of hope. We can all help protect the web of life. Every action matters. Let's give creatures a place to thrive. Despite big challenges, there are stories of hope everywhere. Jadav Payeng, the forest man of India, turned a barren sandbar into a lush forest by planting trees for decades. Now, that forest is home to rhinos, tigers, and elephants. In Kenya, Wangari Maathai's Greenbelt movement empowered women to plant millions of trees, restoring land and communities. These heroes didn't wait for permission, they took action. Their work proves that one person or a small group can make a huge difference. Planting trees is an act of peace and hope. Their legacy lives in the forests they restored. Change is possible when we work together. Let's be inspired to act. Planting a tree is an act of optimism with a ripple effect. A single seed grows roots, cleans air, and prevents erosion. As it grows, it provides shade, food, and homes for wildlife. One tree becomes the center of a thriving ecosystem. Planting one tree often inspires more action by individuals, families, and communities. The impact spreads, creating waves of positive change. That tree will stand for generations, cleaning air and supporting life long after we're gone. It's a gift to the future. One small action can have a profound impact. Never underestimate the power of a single seed. Change starts small. Let's plant hope, one tree at a time. We've seen how trees are the lungs of our planet, guardians of water, and allies against climate change. We've seen the devastation of deforestation and the hope of those who restore forests. Now, it's your turn. The future is in your hands. You don't need to plant a whole forest. Just start with one tree. Look for opportunities in your community, school, or backyard. Gather friends and family for a planting event. If you can't plant, support organizations that restore forests or protect old-growth trees. Make conscious choices. Support companies that value sustainability. The time to act is now. Every action counts. Be the ripple effect. Be the hope. Let's get to work. Plant a tree, protect a forest, and make a difference.